Hello and welcome to this English lesson. Today, you will learn 10 powerful vocabulary words with examples, practice real speaking conversations, and improve your writing skills. Stay with me till the end, and you'll feel more confident using English in daily life. Vocabulary section. Let's begin with vocabulary. Repeat after me. 1. Achieve, to succeed in reaching a goal. Example, she worked hard to achieve her dream. 2. Creative, able to make new and original ideas. Example, artists are very creative people. 3. Confident, sure about yourself, not shy. Example, he spoke with a confident voice. 4. Support, to help or encourage someone. Example, good friends always support each other. 5. Improve, to make something better. Example, reading every day will improve your English. 6. Challenge, something difficult that tests you. Example, this exam is a big challenge for me. 7. Opportunity, a good chance to do something. Example, studying abroad is a great opportunity. 8. Respect, showing politeness and care. Example, we should show respect to our teachers. 9. Success, achieving a goal through hard work. Example, her success came after years of practice. 10. Inspire, to motivate or encourage someone. Example, great leaders inspire people to do their best. Pause the video now and try making your own sentences with 3 of these words. Speaking section. Now let's practice speaking. Conversation practice. A. What is your biggest challenge in English? B. My biggest challenge is speaking fluently. A. How do you try to improve? B. I practice with my friends and watch English videos. Repeat this dialogue, then try it with your own answers. Role play. A. Hi, my name is. B. Hello. Nice to meet you. What do you like to do? A. I enjoy reading books. It helps me improve my knowledge. B. That's great. I want to achieve good English speaking skills. A. We can support each other and practice together. Practice this role play out loud. Writing section. Now take your notebook. Let's write. Fill in the blanks. 1. I want to underscore my English speaking skills. 2. My teacher always tries to underscore us. 3. Respect is very important in every Short writing task. Write 5 to 6 sentences about your biggest goal in life. Use at least 3 vocabulary words from today. Example. My goal is to achieve success in my studies. I want to improve my English and be confident when I speak. I respect my teachers because they inspire me every day. Review. Great job today. You learned 10 new vocabulary words with examples, practiced speaking through real conversations, and improved your writing skills. Keep practicing every day, and you will achieve success in English learning. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more English practice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.